everyone, welcome to my channel American Gulabo. I hope you're all doing well. So today I want to launch a series that I will be calling We Are What We Eat. Just so you know, I don't even like the statement. I haven't lived by the statement, and I would have much preferred if it was we are whatever we want to be, regardless of what we eat. However, life doesn't work this way, and I have finally submitted myself to the statement's universal truth, and I'm trying to align my life with it. What does that mean? What it means is that I'm trying to align my lifestyle with this statement, and I'm embarking on a journey which will compel me, a self-imposed compulsion, that I will make healthier choices and I will have a more active lifestyle. I am not there yet. I'm just embarking on this journey. I've recently embarked on this journey, let's say, put it this way, and I thought I want to share it with you as I go along this journey. So just to give you a little bit of a background, I've never made healthy choices when I reach for food. I love carbs. I live for chips. I love my bread. I love pasta. And the unhealthier the carb is, the better. It tastes so much better. So the only thing that has probably worked for me is that I have an aversion from processed food, because my mom cooked everything from scratch. So that's something that has worked for me, and I never reach out for foods in frozen aisle. I like to cook from scratch, but that doesn't mean that I eat healthy. I cook healthy. I don't always eat healthy. So, and I have these unwanted extra pounds that I'd like to shed, that no matter what I do, don't get shed. And there is a reason, guys, why the video is just still here, featuring me just still here. Also, it's not just about the looks. We Are What We Eat is also about mental health. It is also about an active lifestyle, and it's also about longevity and a life devoid of disease. That's my biggest concern. So I have hypothyroid. I struggled with a little bit borderline high cholesterol, and I also have some arthritis issues. So these things have propelled me to make more healthier choices off late. And what it means is that I will be making wholesome meals. I will be adopting a little bit more active lifestyle. Pre-COVID, I had reached a level of walking 9,000 to 10,000 steps 4 days a week. And I was eating very healthy because I was going every day to work. But with COVID, when you're at home, it's difficult to make healthy choices. I'm getting back there. A little bit on how it aligns with my channel. If you're new to the channel, this is a channel for the modern woman, a woman like you and a woman like me, a woman who juggles career, family, household, extended family, kids, and still finds time to beautify herself. Whatever beauty is to her, it is not only about physical beauty, it is about mental beauty, it is about beautifying her whole self, beautifying her mind, beautifying her speech. And while we will primarily be talking about makeup and skincare, which I'm enthusiastic about, which I really am passionate about and love to talk about, we will also be featuring various topics on holistic, healthy lifestyle. And in the long run, I want to also be discussing TV shows, review books. And because this is a channel for you, I'd like to hear from you as well. What else would you like me to include? I am an avid reader. I love to read, and I love watching Netflix and Amazon. So I thought, and I have an opinion on just about everything, unfortunately. So, and I like to share it. So I just thought that I'll showcase this in my channel too, and you can chime in as to what else would you like me to talk about. So back to the series. So this will be a series of videos featuring different episodes, and what should you expect in each of these videos? quick, wholesome meal choices or food ingredients for a healthy mind, body, and skin. And I will also feature my recipe, and it will be quick, I promise. And what are the health benefits of the main food ingredient featured in that recipe. In addition, I will also be sharing what foods to avoid and why. As I talk about all these topics, I may not have all the answers. I'm not an expert. I'm not projecting myself as an expert in these things, but I will do the research. I have a baseline knowledge about that particular topic, but I will also do the research so you don't have to, and you can focus on what you like to focus on, what you do best. So today, my first recipe is about my healthy breakfast that I have lately adopted. It's the chia seed pudding. I love it, and I attribute lowering my cholesterol to my chia seed pudding, my wok, and an intake of walnuts and almonds. So you may already know that chia seed is a superfood and it is packed with nutrients. It includes fiber, protein, manganese, and calcium. I really like this infographic, but the only thing I don't like, it says vitamins and minerals, and all these three things are minerals. There is no vitamin that I see. Anyways, you get the picture, and along with plenty of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acid, chia seeds are considered top plant-based proteins, and which is why chia seed food is considered great for those who are trying to put on lean muscle, burn fat, and manage hunger and appetite. So how does it manage hunger and appetite? It keeps you full for a really long time because it absorbs a lot of fluid, and it keeps you full for a long time, managing your and curbing your appetite and cravings, leading to a lower intake in calorie. Secondly, it supports your digestive system. It supplies a whopping 41% of our fiber needs for the entire day, and this really helps our gut lining. You may have heard that gut health is they're finding out that gut health is really important, and it supports all the other body functions. So that's really good. The other thing that it helps with is bone health. Calcium, potassium, manganese are incredibly important for maintaining bone health. So other than that, it helps with arthritis and heart disease because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It really helps reducing inflammation. So the last thing on my list is reducing signs of aging and promoting healthy skin. And this is a newer benefit that they have recently discovered because chia seeds are jam-packed with antioxidants, as we are seeing in this infographic. Double the amount blueberries offer. They account for the powerful benefits for skin health, and antioxidants are compounds that fight free radical damage. So this is a lot to offer. They just don't call it superfood just for the heck of it. Okay, so let's make our chia seed pudding. So the things that you'll need for the chia seed pudding would be chia seeds. These are organic chia seeds by BetterBody Foods, and these are non-GMO, and they are gluten-free, and they're 2 pounds. And this was a really good size. I got it from Amazon, and it was super cheap. I think it was about $8 or something, or even less. You'll need coconut milk. I use coconut milk. This is by Real Cocoa. I got it from Costco. This is a carton of 6 for about $11 or something, and it's very economical and very super affordable. You don't have to use coconut milk. I use it because I don't want to use dairy. I'm trying to cut down on dairy because dairy exacerbates inflammation, and I don't want to do that. And then if you can see, it has amounts of per servings are only 50 calories, which is great. And coconut milk is really good for everyone who's also doing ketogenic diet. So I love this and I love the taste of it. If you don't want to use coconut milk, you can use almond milk, you can use soy milk, you can use lactose-free milk, or you can use regular dairy. You'll need honey, any honey would do, and then you would need some pecans. I like pecans. You can use walnuts. The brand that I'm using is Torn and Glassware, and this is the pecan pieces. They come like this. I've moved them to the mason jar. They last forever. I got these from Costco as well. So let's make our chia seed pudding, which is super easy. So I'll take about 1.5, about 2 spoonfuls, which is like a tablespoon of chia seeds, about 1 cup of coconut oil, milk, and then I will put some honey in it. You can use agave syrup, you can use you can use stevia, you can use regular sugar. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. I'm not a big sugar person anyways, but I don't use sugar, and I will just hold on to this. I will not add this as of yet because I want to let this sit for in the fridge overnight and let these chia seeds get all nicely swelled up, and when I'm ready to eat in the morning, I'll just add some pecans, and if you want, you can use some frozen fruit with it, or any fruit, and the consistency will be denser. So I will put the lid on, and then we will eat this in the morning. So the reason why I haven't added pecans yet is because I don't want it to get all soggy, and I like the crunch of it, so I'm gonna mix it just when I'm about to eat. Okay, so guys, I let it soak overnight, and I wanted to show you the consistency. You see how nicely the chia seed has all swelled up, and it is now really thick. So I am going to add some frozen fruit. And some pecans. I think this much is sufficient. I'm gonna add more if you like. I like the crunch, as I told you already. And then I'm gonna chop up some strawberries and add. The frozen food did already have some strawberries, but I like to add some fresh fruit as well. So do you see how nice and healthy and hearty breakfast this is? Do you see how nicely colored it has become? And it's packed with nutrients, not only from chia seeds, but also from all these fruits and nuts. So this is what it looks like. If you remember, it was just half a bowl when we made it, and it's now almost up to the brim. So this is how you make it, and it's super quick and super easy. You know, you can play with your chia seed pudding. You can chop up some figs, dried figs, and add it to your chia seed pudding. That would really go well with it. It would naturally sweeten it, so you wouldn't really need to add a sweetener to it. You can add raisins to it. Again, you might not need to add sugar. I like to avoid added sugar, so I like to sweeten it with honey and natural fruits. It is a superfood and making part of your diet. at least 4 to 5 days a week would really give you a healthy boost in terms of your mental health, your gut health, and your overall body and skin health. This video was a bit longer, quite long actually. I know no one likes to watch long videos, but I had to give you the background and the what to expect in these videos. But from next episode onwards, I will be making these shorter. I will shoot for making them less than 10 minutes or so. Ideally, I would like to make them between 6 minutes to 8 minutes. The next one that I intend to do is on sugar and what it does to your health overall, and in particular skin health. So thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and comment. I love to hear from you. And if you try this chia seed pudding, do share what you put in yours and did you like the flavor. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. I will be sharing a lot of good information, and I like to back things up with science. And do provide your comments and feedback about what you'd like me to cover. So till next time, stay safe. Did I say stay safe? Stay safe. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. See you soon. Bye-bye.